Sunday satsang, July 14th. So you're asking a question about the Tatastha region. Is there actually a region called the Tatastha region where the jiva is situated and he chooses to go to the Maya Shakti or the spiritual Shakti? And the answer is no, there's no Tatastha area, Tatastha. It's just this is explained in the nature of the jiva in the Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, chapter 87, verse 24. This is the prayers, it's called the Shruti Stuti, prayers by the personified Vedas. And they explain, in Vishwanath Chakravarti commentary, he comments, he said the nature of the jiva is not independent. He has no Swatantra quality. He has very meager knowledge. He's simply a particle of consciousness with minute pervasiveness. In other words, Krishna is sarvagata, means Krishna is all pervading all over the universe. Maya tatamidam sarvam jagat avyakti murtina. Everything is in Krishna and Krishna is inside of everything. There's that one verse from Brahma Samhita also.